Hello, today I'm here again. I'm here with a special guest. I wanted to meet someone special. This is the first time I'm having a female rector in this very show. Today you will see the difference between male and female. Today I'm here with my special guest, someone I hold dear in my heart, a tigress and an Amazon. Please would like to know your name. I know say Ginger dey your body. I know say dey your body, but without wasting much of our time, let our audience, let our fans know you. I don't say they know you, but maybe they know you very well. So what's your name?
My name is Amakanne.
Okay.
For Amakanne, Easy Go Properties.
Okay.
We are the real estate firm that ensures safety and transparency when it comes to landed properties and buildings.
Easy. Now you can tell that we are here with a mogul in the business, someone that knows in and out of properties. There is this reason why we called her.
Yes, sir.
We have a reason for calling her today that want to see her on this show.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there are things that she needs to share with us.
Yes, sir.
This very lady you see here have toured Anambra around. If Enugu State is not involved and Imo State is not involved. So I would like her to share with us her experiences. She has been to several places where I myself cannot go to. Okay? I would like to know, like, we do see your videos, and most of the things we see is when you go to rural places. Most of the times you market properties at the rural places. What motivates you?
Okay, for instance, now let me start by saying that bush is money.
If there?
Bush is money.
Okay.
So for you to make money, you have to travel down to bush before you can now make that money. For example, Achala is in Oka North. Achala is in a rural area.
Okay.
Many people does not like buying properties in Achala because they say they emphasize that it's in a bush area without knowing that landed properties does not depreciate. Rather, it is appreciating on a daily basis.
Wow.
I always advise people to invest in rural area because tomorrow it will turn to developed area. Lagos was not built in a day.
Wow.
So as Rome.
Wow.
If you invest in bush today, tomorrow that bush will turn to city.
Wow.
So Achala now is selling their property at the range of, okay, let me just say 4 years ago. Okay. I bought a plot of land for my client, 200,000 naira. But today, Achala is selling it 600,000 for a plot.
Okay.
So can you see that it's appreciating?
Wow.
But if you say, I will not buy property at 200,000 naira because it's in a bush, therefore you are holding that future for yourself and your generation.
Okay.
So why not invest in that 200,000 today and enjoy 600,000 tomorrow or millions tomorrow?
Wow.
So I advise people to invest in rural area today and enjoy it tomorrow because it will surely develop.
If we leave Amakanne today, we will not go.
We will go.
If we have
I have a lot to say about land investment because I believe in rural area.
Oh wow. Okay.
There is money in bush.
Okay, well, my next question is that I've seen you go to Omasi. I've seen you go to Achala. I've seen you go to Ifitogwari, right? Anako. These places, myself, okay, I've been to Ukulu, but I know that I cannot go to Anako, Nando, Anam, Ifitogwari, all these places. But you've been going to these very places. You do make videos in this, showing that you are there live. Are you not afraid?
No, I'm not. Why would I be afraid? Like I said, bush is money.
Wait. When traveling to Achala, if you talk Gwari, how sure are you that you are secured? No.
I don't need to be sure.
What inspires you?
Money inspires me. Money inspires me. I don't need to be sure.
Oh my God.
I don't need to be sure.
Wait, money inspires you.
Exactly. Money inspires me. My future inspires me. My kids inspires me. Because I need to make money. I need to secure their future. Wow. Therefore, traveling down to Omasi, Ifitogwari, Anako, and all this rural area, what inspires me is money. I am going there to make money. I'm going there to satisfy my clients. Okay. Giving my client the best. Knowing fully well that if my client invests in this very property, even if it's couple, that tomorrow he's going to enjoy it.
Wow.
I advise people, invest today. Enjoy tomorrow. Lagos was once a bush. Today, Lagos now, Okaka.
Wow.
Achala was once a bush. Today, even Achala is selling a plot of land. And in Achala, as far as I'm concerned now, we have 3 million naira a plot in Achala.
Wow.
But before Achala was sold 200,000, 100,000, just barely 2 years
Okay.
of Achala coming to light.
Okay.
A plot of land now in a rural area in Achala is 900,000, 800, 600. Outside the main road, 3 million per plot.
Are you for real?
Exactly, Achala.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay. Without wasting much of our time, because most of our fans and audience will be like, that bush areas. No, wait. Many people don't like buying land in rural areas. That is true. Many they feel like you're wasting their time, that you want to tie their money down. But from you, I've heard that so many people have invested like or bought up to 1,000 plots, 500 plots. What? Why? Why are they spending such money in such place?
Because they know that tomorrow it will appreciate.
Really?
Property does not depreciate. Rather, it keeps appreciating.
Even the one in the bush.
It appreciates. It's not like our clothes, we've own all these in cars. No. Landed properties appreciate on a daily basis, no matter where it is.
So you are telling us to go and buy land of 200,000 today because of tomorrow that it will appreciate.
Exactly. Go and buy that land that they sold 100,000. I don't even know whether they are still. Almost no longer. Almost now is selling a plot of land 300,000. But almost as of yesterday sold land 100,000, even 50,000 a plot.
Wow.
But today is 300 and above.
Wow.
Same as if you talk one. So if you see any land they are selling 400,000, my dear, rush it. Give it 2 years. You know, if we give it a year, it will appreciate.
But the location is very far.
It's not far.
No.
It's not far. Even if it's far, you know where you are heading to. Your future should get you to that place. If you have money to buy 4 million naira plot land, no problem. But what I am advising people is that you should stop running away from a land that is in rural area. It keeps appreciating on a daily basis.
Wow.
Lagos was once a rural area. But
this Lagos again.
Yes, Lagos was once a rural area, but today Lagos is now a developed area.
Exactly.
So as Achala is not developing. Amasi will develop. If you talk about it, will also develop. So why running away from such land when you can even gather it? If you have 5 million in your account, go and pack land of 300,000. Pack it.
Really?
It. Tomorrow it will appreciate.
This is inspiration.
Yes,
you are just inspiring me, because one thing with me is I don't like rural areas, but from what you are saying, I think we should be giving it a thought. Okay, we'll be giving it a try.
That money in your account, you fixed it. Like me now, I fixed 3 million naira. Okay. What bank gave me is 180,000.
Wow,
which is nothing. But if you invest that 3 million naira into landed property and resell it the next day, or maybe give it like a year and resell it, you will make millions out of it.
Are you for real?
You will gain it. So therefore, why keeping it in the bank when you can invest it into landed property? No matter how rural it is, invest it there.
Okay. So have you ever solved issues like, okay, let me put it this way. Your clients, the client that you have bought land for, how have you made inquiries for your client, verified document? You know, some of this land in the village, it does not have documents. So how do you go about it? How do you solve the problems, the community, the communal problems, all those things? How do you do it?
Like for instance, now any town that I enter,
okay,
I must ensure to know their PG.
Okay.
Know their chairman.
1 point, 2 points.
Know their youth.
Wow.
The youth leader.
Okay.
Like Achala now.
Okay.
But people are calling me Achala first daughter because I know everybody.
Wow.
So for me to go for investigation, I will meet all these people, tell them about so land, that my client is interested in so land. Then they will help me to investigate it. If that land is in any form of dispute, they will tell me.
Wow.
And I will tell my client to run. But if that land is free from any form of incumbents,
okay,
we proceed.
Wow.
So that is how we do it.
Wow.
Both Achala, both Ukulu, I make sure I know their PG, know their chairman, know their youth leader, know their even women leader. That is how I operate in all this rural area. Because if you did not do that, you will end up buying a dispute land for your client.
Wow.
And tomorrow your client will start chasing you with
police. Wow.
So I ensure I make my findings very, very well before I proceed.
Wow. Okay.
That is how I operate.
My viewers, look at me. The person I'm with here, her name is Amakanne.
Easy property.
See, if you want lands in a rural area, she's qualified. She's good. She will bring it to your table. You just heard her mention how she secures land for the clients,
Yes.
okay? Through the youth leaders, through this, through the PG, through the women leader. And that was off me. But let's give it a try. Rural areas can sometimes be profitable. I heard about someone that bought 1,000 plot of land the other day at years ago at Ebenebe. He's enjoying today.
Yes, no.
1,000 plot of land when Ebenebe was selling for around 50 to maybe 200. Yeah, the man bought. I don't want to mention his name. Understand? But he today that 1,000 plots when he starts selling them,
millions.
Governor will be shaking his hands.
Inside the
real estate is good. Is it good?
Very good. Very good.
Is there money in real estate?
A lot. That is why I said that there is money in the bush.
That is good.
One of my clients, one of my real estate developer, his name is Ego Dinofia.
Okay.
Ego Dinofia, because he knows that there is money
in the bush. Okay. So if you are making plans to buy land or landed property in the rural areas, don't be afraid, especially when it comes to Anambra State.
No.
We'll have someone that covers those problems.
Yes, sir.
She knows what she's doing.
Yes, sir.
Here, she knows what she's doing. I'm telling you for free. She knows what she's doing.
Yes, sir.
I've tried her. Many people have tried her, and she gave it a pass.
Yes,
okay.
Sir. Yes,
so
sir.
last question before we go.
Okay.
Can someone make good money in rural area? 1, 2. When you are selling to a client, do you investigate or make some inquiries to know if government can bring in maybe infrastructure or one development to another in time to come? Have you ever made such inquiries?
Yes, we have done this. If you talk Ogwari now,
okay.
If you talk Ogwari, there is a lot of development going on there because that road is now called federal government road.
Wow.
So that means the government has already entered there.
Okay.
Building roads. From that, if you don't go now, take it down, you will end up in Enugu State.
Okay, if you talk about it connects to Enugu State.
Yes, it is a very good investment opportunity.
Wow.
So if you are buying land at Ifitogwa, know that you are going to enter Enugu through that route.
Wow.
It is a good investment.
Wow.
So I used to inquire about that as well.
Wow.
So we have done it in Ifitogwa, we have also done it in Achala and also Ebenebe.
Wow.
And Ndi Ikwenu. Now Ndi Ikwenu okay. Government is bringing airports around that area now.
Wow.
As we speak.
Wow.
So if you are investing in Ndi Ikelion know that fast development is going to enter that very place as soon as possible because airport is going to be there very soon.
Wow. Okay, this is good. This is good. We are happy to hear all of this. Yes. And my fans all over the world, this is Natlands and this show is called Time with Nat. Today I'm here with Amakanne Easy Go Properties. I've told you before she's good to go. She's Easy Goes Properties and she's good to go. Okay? She delivers. Mm-hmm. If you want anything on rural areas, I'm saying I will drop a number. Should I drop your number?
You can.
If you want anything.
Bush is money.
Wait, if I should drop your number, I will not get my commission. I will not drop your number.
Fire me is money.
Okay.
So if you drop my number, no wahala.
Look at what will happen. If you want lands in the rural areas, call Natlands.
Yes, contact Natlands.
Natlands is taking you direct to Amakanne Easy Go Properties. God bless you. We love you.
Thank
you. We love you. We love you. Thank you.